hope you're doing well. I'm just gonna share a recipe for a smoothie that I made like 2 days ago, and literally so good, so smooth. It's definitely a healthy smoothie, and if you like green smoothies, I think you'll really like this one. So what I do is I start out with 1 cup of water, and then I get my Greek yogurt, and I don't know if the type of yogurt matters, but I chose Greek, and this is unsweetened, so I'm sure if you want to do a similar yogurt of your choice, you can. I just did 3 big spoonfuls. Next, I like to put in some spinach, and it's pre-washed, so it's really easy to work with. And I just grabbed like a handful, I'd say, because this is so fast to get me to eat spinach. Otherwise, I'm not really gonna eat spinach that much. The main goal for the smoothie is to get good ingredients and nutrition in my system. So then we add our banana. I just, tear it up into chunks. And honey. Honey is, optional, I'd say. It just depends on your sweetness, like how much you'd like. So do with that as you please. I like it for the benefits it has, but it's up to you. You can even use Manuka honey, I'm sure, if you want to make it like extra healthy. This is a totally optional ingredient, but I bought this mix of chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds just for some extra, fiber, protein, omega-3s, but it's not necessary. And I'll just do 1 tablespoon of that. And it's ready to blend. I don't know what blender you have, but if you happen to have the same one I do, I just press the smoothie button. Okay, we are all done blending, so I will show you guys the consistency of it. It's, in my opinion, the perfect consistency because it's not too watery, it's not too thick. It's really easy to drink, in my opinion. And this is super satisfying. So there you have it. That's my smoothie recipe that I've been enjoying for the last few days, and I'll definitely stick with. The awesome thing with smoothies is you can modify any part of the process. If you don't like an ingredient, you're allergic to an ingredient, you want it thicker, you can always modify. So if you want a thicker smoothie, just reduce the water, and so forth. So thank you so much, you guys. I hope you have a great day, and let me know if you try it and what you think.